We do not teach tenses as most YouTube videos do. Instead, we employ the functional language learning approach. This innovative AI-generated method involves drills and exercises with minimal teacher's interference. These activities are designed to challenge you, much like video games. The functional approach deviates from academic jargon and traditional terminology and classification, which is what you'll find in this tenses video. It contains AI-generated content, and remarkably, if you complete all the drills, you can fully master English tenses in just 40 minutes. So let's get started. Types of sentences based on verb forms. 1. Linking verb sentences. These either do not use any of the 4 verb forms or, if they do, they are employed to express a state or condition rather than an action. 2. Action verb sentences. These use one of the 4 verb forms. The most important skill you need to develop is the ability to distinguish between linking and action sentences. To practice this skill, let's move on to Challenge Drill 1. Please follow the directions below. Challenge Drill 1 directions. Read the following sentences and determine whether they are linking or action sentences.
1. She is tired after a long day.
2. The flowers are blooming beautifully in the garden.
3. The children are excited about the field trip.
4. The students are studying diligently for the exam. 5.
The book appears interesting.
6.
He has a very forceful voice.
7. She became a successful entrepreneur.
8. The flowers have been watered.
9. Both are declared as the winners of the competition.
10. I have been very busy lately.
To them, you're just a freak. Like me.
I didn't say it was good news for you.
When was the last time you were home? 2 years, 264 days, and this morning. You ready? I was born ready.
I don't want to be in a relationship.